Hello, hello, hello. What's going on? It's Arnold. Listen, guys, if you want to learn how to paint, you want to know the real deal, you need to check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. I painted my truck back there, which is 2004 F-150, thanks to the help of LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. I was looking for a way to paint my truck. I wanted to learn how to paint. I didn't have the money to go to school to learn how to paint. I didn't know anybody that knew how to paint. But I discovered LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Not only did I discover LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, I discovered their YouTube videos, and they were free. And the first thing they did for me was give me an 85-page book, ebook for free. And I read it, and I was like so impressed. But I didn't have the money to become a VIP member. After about a year and a half, I ended up becoming a VIP member. But throughout that year and a half, I was always able to participate in their live YouTube videos weekly with Tony answering questions for whoever was there watching, VIP members or not. And that inspired me to become a member, because by becoming a member, I had more access to more material for me to learn. 24-hour access, actually. I didn't have to wait for the Q&A questions, the weekly questions. I didn't have to wait for Tony to be able to answer them for me. But then I discovered that I could also email pictures and ask questions, and I would get an answer. We all live in a place right now where times are rough. And if you could learn how to do a skill for a low fee, nothing is free, but a lot of their content is not geared to just making money off anybody. It's geared to teaching you a skill and giving you the passion that you have to learn how to do something. I suggest you go to LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. I'm restoring this motorcycle for a friend of mine. I painted this tank, painted some of the plastic pieces, I painted the wheels you see back there. None of that would have been possible without Tony and his crew and all the VIP members in the community that took the time to help and answer questions. Nobody makes fun of anybody. It's a really good group. It's almost like family. So check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks, Tony.